Hi everybody, good morning. I am Ashnut Chopra. I am the dealer principal here at Auto Rally. The day that we've been waiting for has finally arrived. This big, bold, beautiful beast is going to hit the roads today. We are delighted to deliver 10 cars on the roads on one day in a cavalcade which is going to hit Anna Salai very shortly. Auto Rally is driven by our customers, and we're delighted that our customers with their families have joined us for this event. As we all know, the all-new Nissan Magnite is one of the most awaited launches of the year, and the customers across the country have responded to this car in droves. We have received over 25,000 bookings nationally. In South India, Nissan has clocked 10,000 bookings, and Auto Rally as a group has already received 1,000 bookings, and we're counting every day. So we're really excited about the all-new Nissan Magnite, bringing it to our customers, getting it on the roads, and hoping everyone has many years of happy motoring. Thank you very much. Rolling out the all-new Nissan Magnite onto the streets of Chennai. And I'm so delighted that so many of you are coming and we're together going to, roll out on the streets in a cavalcade up and down Anna Salai. So I'm really looking forward to that. Today we're actually having three celebrations. One, the first deliveries that we're doing with the all-new Nissan Magnite. And number two, thank you. The all-new Nissan Magnite has received an overwhelming response across the country. We've crossed more than 25,000 bookings in India and over 10,000 bookings in South India alone. So thank you very much for that. And number three, Auto Rally Group has crossed 1,000 bookings between Chennai and Calcutta. So we're celebrating all this, and it's all driven by just one thing. The engine oil of the auto industry is you, our customers. You drive us, you drive the bookings, you drive the business, you drive us. So thank you very much for that. Now, one of the most unique things about the relationship between a car dealer and his customer is that when the sale ends, our relationship actually begins. Because this is not the end of our relationship. For the next 3, 4, 5 years, as long as you own the car, you will give us the opportunity to help you keep your car clean, to keep your car fit, and obviously to keep your car safe. So this is the beginning of what I hope will be a very long and fruitful relationship between you and us, and we look forward to serving you. So thank you very much for the opportunity. Right? I'm also delighted to have amongst us members of the media and representatives from Nissan. I'd like to request Mr. Arun Prasad from our regional manager to please come and say something to everyone, and then we'll cut the cakes and we'll get the wheels rolling. Thank you very much. Sir.
Very good morning to all our customers here, who assembled, press and media friends here. Thank you, big thank you to all of you here, for coming in short notice. It's a very special day for us, for Nissan in India. Our dealership Auto Rally Nissan in Chennai. Very momentful occasion today. We have crossed 10,000 bookings only in South, and already 25,000 plus bookings. This day marks our first delivery ceremony, most ceremonious delivery day for Nissan Magnite in Chennai through our lead dealer Auto Rally Nissan. So we are very happy to welcome our first league of customers, very happy, proud owners of Nissan Magnite today. So I hope we will have much bigger celebrations going ahead on this part. We have a lot of customers waiting really anxiously to pick up the car. So I wish all the customers who are taking their first delivery today a great driving experience, and really a happy motoring day and happy motoring days ahead. So thank you all so much, and wishing very good luck and happy motoring again to our valued customers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks.
Hi, myself Satish. I am coming from Perangalathur. I work for AstraZeneca as director. I am excited today to be here and take the delivery for Nissan Magnite. We have seen that it's a wonderful car. The way in which it is designed, I think it's going to really rock the Indian roads. Thank you.
Okay, ready?
Sure, in the car, actually as a family we liked it, especially selection was from my kids actually. They liked the ad, and the red and the black dual tone was really excellent. We strongly believe Nissan as a Japanese brand has got durability as well as reliability. So we strongly believe that this is going to be a wonderful car for us, for our family. We already have a Datsun in our family, so we are just trying to upgrade into the Nissan. And CVT is what we are looking for. So we heard that the CVT is imported from Japan, so we are looking forward for a reliable performance here.
Hello, my name is Ajay and this is my mother Anandi. So we booked a Nissan Magnite in November, and so we pre-booked the car because we thought the car was rightly priced with loaded with a lot of features. And my dad booked the car from Abu Dhabi, and we got it delivered. We are gonna get it delivered today. So the car is loaded with a lot of new features such as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And during the test drive, I think the car is adequately priced in, and it has the right performance for both city drives and as well as highway. And so I think this is the perfect car for subcompact SUVs, and we had a good experience at the dealership as well. Mr. Vigneshwaran has given us from pickup to delivery, he has given us full support, and we got the delivery on time as well, so I'm very happy for that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. So we booked the car with the dual tone paint, and the car has a lot of good features such as cruise control, ABS, and hill start assist. It has loaded with the 360 degrees cameras as well, so which is very good for parking as well as removing from tight spots. And yeah, it has the latest Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which can connect your smartphone and use for navigation, music, Spotify, and other things as well. And what else can I say about the car? Yeah, that's it. So here signing off, Ajay and Anandi from Saligramam, Chennai. Thank you.